Welcome to Spanish Corriente, where we cover common and practical Spanish that you'll actually use on a daily basis.
Mapa, direcciones, derecha. The correct answer for directions is B, direcciones. Derecha, right, left, corner. Derecha means right. Avenue, calle, arriba, avenida. The correct answer for avenue is C, avenida. Siguiente, before, far, next. Siguiente means next. Far, lejos, cerca, todo derecho. The correct answer for far is A, lejos. Banco, church, bank, school. Banco means bank. Museum, escuela, parque, museo. The answer for museum is C, museo. Farmacia, park, coffee shop, pharmacy. Farmacia means pharmacy. Tourist information, banco, cafetería, información turística. The answer for tourist information is C, información turística. Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? Excuse me, where is the hotel? Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? Means, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the pharmacy? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el banco? Disculpe, ¿dónde está la farmacia? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el hotel? The answer for excuse me, where is the pharmacy is A. Disculpe, ¿dónde está la farmacia? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el hotel? Excuse me, where is the pharmacy? Excuse me, where is the stadium? Excuse me, where is the hotel? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el hotel? Means, excuse me, where is the hotel? Excuse me, where is the ATM? Disculpe, ¿dónde está la playa? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el taxi? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el cajero automático? The answer for excuse me, where is the ATM is disculpe, ¿dónde está el cajero automático? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el bar? Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bar? Excuse me, where is the park? Disculpe, ¿dónde está el bar? Means, excuse me, where is the bar? Por favor, hable despacio. Please, where is the beach? Please speak slowly. How do you say in Spanish? Por favor, hable despacio means please speak slowly.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, or hey, subscribe to the channel. We're constantly uploading fresh content to help you improve your Spanish. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.